Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Michael Kluzinski. This is our channel, Pennies 2000s, and I'm trading the Happy Buddha. Now, I want to show this stock as an example for a couple of reasons. Number one, we had the J-hook pattern here where it goes through the MACD, high up in both the CCI and percentage R. Everything else looked good. Money flow was going up. So we purchased it here. It ran up to the 200 as we thought. Hit the 200, usually backs off. Stocks make a run, they consolidate, make a run, they consolidate, okay? So here we go. Run to the 200, consolidating back. Now we have a gap up here today. If it gets through this 200, I'm telling you, it could run again. And I'm telling you, a lot of people you are saving for retirement these days. And you really feel like you've been put on pins and needles. You've saved for years and years only to see the value of your retirement account, your 401k, your IRAs get slashed every time the market takes a hit. I know what you're saying. This is a cycle that I got to get out of, Michael. I know you have many dreams of retirement, dreams that you want to retire early. What if I told you there was a better way? Yes, there is. There's a blueprint called Pennies 2000. I'm talking about where you can get all the money you'll need for wealthy, independent retirement. So let's say you wanted to retire soon. Would you need $1 million? Would you need $500,000? Would you need $2 million? Would you need $5 million? Well, whatever your magic number is, I'm going to show you how to get there. I'm going to give you the route. Now, but don't worry. I'm not asking you to rob a bank. I'm not asking you to learn to go out and memorize ways to beat the casinos with card counting or something. I'm not asking you to sell drugs or do something illegal. What I'm talking about is turning the table on the institution Wall Street people by picking the small stocks. Legally stealing your retirement from Wall Street because they don't put their best analysts on the small price, low price stocks. In fact, with the size of what they're doing, the size of how they have to buy, sometimes they can't buy these small stocks. They got to wait till they go higher and get more volume. Now, like I say, Michael, I don't have any trading experience. I don't care. Pennies 2000s, you need no trading experience. You need to follow the blueprint. If you can follow instructions, you can do it. Regular people out there, I don't care if you're a fireman, a teacher, whatever you are. Whether you live in New York City or in a small town in Omaha. This is really, I think, one of the fastest ways to amass, now that's a legal fortune in the United States. Okay? Now I'm on all the social medias. We will soon have our website, Pennies 2000s, where you'll just have to follow there. But for now, read our book. Look at our social websites. Find the best ways to get in, the best ways to get out, what to look for. But when it comes to learning how to do it, very soon we'll be publishing our Pennies 2000s website. And you don't have to buy options. You don't have to buy ETFs. You don't have to buy currencies. You don't be in the FX market. You don't have to stay up all night. You don't have to stay in front of a screen. You don't have to full-time trade. You can part-time swing trade. Now, is this profit ride, this retirement ride, is it for you? Can I help you get there? Can I drive you along? Well, every investment on earth involves risk. Don't let me tell anybody different. It's bullshit. You need to take risks. That's why in our money management section of our book, we talk about buying different candidates, how to manage it, take some of the profit off your table, look for certain moving averages, follow the ADMA, other things. Let me explain. All you have to do is follow my recommendations on my Pennies 2000s website. Now, what I like to do is I like to take profits, take my money off the table, and I'll show you how to do that, and play with the house money, the casino money. Because there you can allow it to run. You don't get nervous. And you're pulling the money from Wall Street. You're not using your own money. So get the Pennies 2000s website. It's a small monthly fee, or you can pay the annual subscription. And on that there, one of the nice things you're going to like about that is any month, if you don't like it, cancel. And I'm going to help you steal money from the Wall Street institutions by following my blueprint. And I publish many in Traders View and other places. These stocks early in the morning, and maybe in that same day, they're up another 6, 7, 10% in that day. Wall Street institutions get happy if they do 10% a year for you. So, what will you do when you make all your money? You're going to have a good retirement? Or you're going to enjoy fantasies of things you want to do? Or you're just going to retire comfortably? It doesn't matter. It's happened to other of my students. It can happen to you. Follow the website. You can start with small amounts of money. You can start with retirement money. You can start with IRA money. I've been trading for over 40 years. I use the right and left brain. That's why my students call me the Trading the Happy Buddha. And by just following my website, I'll help you find these small stocks under $8, but not below $1. Why not? Because we find a lot of stocks under $1 are being pushed up by promoters. We like $1 to $8. Now, you want to avoid some of the traps. Some people try to buy dividends, but today, the dividends, they're tough to make money with. A lot of people have money in bank and CDs and cash reserves. Well, those interest rates are lousy. People look for fundamental research, but fundamental is important, but the technical is more important. I like companies that have good profit margins, are doing something with gross margins, have good technical patterns, have good relative strength. My proprietary system delivers winners on Pennies 2000. Not everyone, and not everyone's going to do that. So don't listen to that. That's bullshit either. We'll have more winners than losers, and we'll cut our losers quick, and we'll let our winners run, taking half off the table and going. I've got good example on my different videos on the internet. So join our website, our community of Pennies 2000s traders, because we help each other. We believe in the positive thinking, in programming the mind, using affirmations, visualizations, painting your day, helping each other, giving each other ideas, joining a community and not feeling lonely. So sign up as soon as you can now. Subscribe now. And remember, these small stocks can skyrocket overnight. So I urge you to respond right now. Because even one-day gains, as of this morning, we had almost a 15% gainer on one. So subscribe now. Anyway, this is Dr. Michael Kluczynski. Pennies 2000s. I'm known as Trading the Happy Buddha. We're combining the right and the left brain now. Bye-bye now. And this is under $8. It's got the long base, and I think it's got potential there. The company is called ENOVA International, the symbol ENVA on